Hi there and welcome back again. So it's officially autumn now and it's about time to get my new facade watertight, and therefore I will start to install the window casings this week. So let's get started. Summer is over. Autumn is coming. I have to hurry up a bit to get the facade finished before the wet season is here. A day before, late summer was still on the last lap. I decided to do all the prep work for installing the window casings. And I started with tidying up the porch so that I have more space to work. This side of the property is still untouched. Definitely a project for next year. This is my new pride and joy. A new table saw. Thanks a lot to everybody standing those advertisements here on the channel. This helps me a lot. The boards for the window casings are cut from the same planks as the rest of the wall. Because I want to paint the window casings plain white, I decided to give the lumber a smoother finish by planing them down a bit. The battens are as well cut from the same larch. Being able to cut them myself makes it much cheaper for me instead of buying them pre-cut. After a long working shift, my new toy deserves a fresh breeze. Finally a fresh coat of wood preserver and I'm ready for the rain to come. And it poured. And poured. And poured. Around midday I was able to start working. And if there is no sun, I've got my own electric one. Wow, another rhyme. But back to work. First I cut a 10 degrees bevel on the wood for the windowsill. So when it sits against the window, the rain can easily run off. I measured the length of the sill beforehand and cut it to length. Then I cut these two corners out. With this stripe of wood the sill gets the right angle. I nail it into place. Now I take the measurements for the head jamb. I cut it down to the right width and nail it into place. Take measurements for the side jambs and add a 10 degrees angle to them as well. cut them down to the right width and nail them to the facade. Finally, I add the exterior window casing. And in the end, an apron underneath the sill. My original plan was to do both windows this weekend, but there was too much rain. This is how the window looked this morning. These gaps down right and left are there on purpose to avoid water logging in the corners. I think I will do the other window off camera during the week. Finally, I added another coat of blue stain inhibitor so that there won't be black spots coming through the white color. Thank you all for watching. Have a good and healthy week. See you next week. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.
Getting closer every dawn.